For the introduction of magnetic tape is a medium for magnetic storage made of a thin, magnetizable coating on a long, narrow strip of plastic film. It was developed in Germany in 1938 based on the early magnetic wire recording from Denmark. Devices that use magnetic tape can with relative ease record and play back audio, visual, and binary copy data.
Okay, next, generation magnetic tape. Magnetic tape storage has evolved significantly since its 1950s inception, transitioning from large open reel tapes to cartridge-based media, especially the linear tape open LTO standard. Early magnetic tape. The first magnetic tapes, like the IBM 726 1952, used open reels high limited capacity, which is a few megabytes, and require large standalone tape drives. This early system was slow, manual, and primarily used for system backup and batch processing. LTO, which is Linear Tape Open Generation Overview. Produced in 2000, LTO is an open standard format developed by IBM Hewlett Standard and Seagate, offering higher storage capacity, improved speed, and enhanced features like encryption and error correction.
Magnetic tape data storage is a system for storing digital information on magnetic tape using digital recording. Magnetic tape stores data by magnetizing tiny particles on a plastic ribbon, creating a pattern of magnetized and unmagnetized regions that represent binary data. These magnetized areas orbit across the tape, either linearly or helically. The data is read or written by a magnetic head that interacts with the tape surface.
So, moving on to how magnetic tapes work. So, the data is read or written by magnetic head that interacts with the tape surface, and the electromagnet applies a magnetic flux, which is the quantity of strain of magnet lines produced by the magnet to the outside of the tape. So, the tape recorder's record head is a very small circular electromagnet, consists of an iron core wrapped with wire. So, when writing, magnetic magnetic flux forms a fringe pattern to bridge the gap like the red lines. So the flux is what magnetizes the oxide on the tape. Moving on to the advantages and disadvantages of the magnetic tape. So the advantages would be storage capacity. Magnetic tape has high storage capacity and it is cost effectiveness, which is cheaper, and it is durable. For the disadvantages, it would be slow access and has compatibility issue, which is long backup and restore times, especially when it makes contact with the magnet. The data stored in the magnetic tape would be completely damaged.